Hello guys, so good morning, good afternoon, and good day everyone. So today's video is I'm going to teach, or I'm going to show the answer, which is the activity that I was sent to you last week, which is the case study. So the problem 1, 2, and 3. So let's begin. So first, let's open our compiler, which is dev C++. Then second is the problem that I given to you, case study. So case study programming 1. Yeah. So as you can see, we have here the problem 1, which is the write a program that will compute the volume of the sphere, which is the formula is volume square is equals to length multiplied by height and the exponent over the length times height, which is 2. So the problem number 2, which is find the perimeter of that trapezoid. So the formula is below, which is area is equals to b1, which is the base 1, plus b2, which is the base 2, divided by 2 and multiplied by height. So the problem 3, which is find the surface of a rectangular solid. So the formula, which is the formula surface, is equals to 2 multiplied by LW plus 2 multiplied by length and height plus 2 width and height. So let's begin our coding. So new file. So let's create and save this file as, what's the name of the problem 1? So volume sphere. Find the volume sphere. Volume sphere. And let's save it. So include iStream using namespace steady. So int main, which is the function, and curly brackets, and don't forget to return 0. So we have here the formula, which is the length and height. So let's declare a variable, which is integer. So length, comma, and height, and the volume sphere, and which is the formula. So let's proceed to the coding. So first one is cout double quote to output this one, what is the length of the sphere. So and length ID 2, then semicolon. So scene and length. Yan. Then copy paste na lang natin to. Yan. So yan. What is the height naman? Height of the sphere, which is height. Copy natin to. Height. Yan. So let's proceed to the formula, which is finding the volume sphere. So volume sphere is equals to volume sphere is length multiplied by height. So we need to multiply the length into height. So length multiplied by height. Then there are the exponent here, so let's make close open parentheses. So let's just copy this one. So in order to multiply it by like 2, which is 2 exponents, so 1 and 2, so this is equivalent of 2 exponents, like you multiplied the same value of each one. Okay, so cout, and the value of volume sphere is Ayan. So, let's just copy the formula name, volume square. Semicolon. So, let's see if we have something error. So, let's compile. So, as you can see, there is no errors and warnings. And no errors and warnings. So, let's try to run. And so, what is the value of length? So, example is we have 3. So, what is the height? So, supposed to be the height is 3. So, when we say 3 times 3 is equivalent of 9. So, when we have a exponent, so it's equivalent of 9 times 9 times 9, which is 81. So, the value of volume sphere is 81. Okay, so that's the problem 1, or the answer of your problem 1. So, you can see here the code that I have written and the output or the formula which is I used to get the answer to finish this problem. Okay, that's all. And next, let's proceed to the next problem. Okay, next, let's get a new file. So, source file. So, what is the next problem? So, perimeter of trapezoid. Let's just save this one. Find the perimeter. Okay, so include stream using namespace steady. So let's just input the int name function, add curly brackets and return 0. So let's see the variable that we're gonna use, which is the base 1, then base 2, and the height. So base 1, let's just input the variable, which is the data type is base 1, base 2, and height. And also the formula that we're gonna use is the A, so which means the area of trapezoid. So semicolon. So let's proceed to the output. So cout the value of base 1. So endline lang tayo dito. And so sin base 1. So next is cout the value of base 2. So endline tayo dito. And semicolon, then sin the base 2. Next is the value of the height. Value of the height. Endline. And so sin, which is the height. So proceed tayo dito sa formula. So area of trapezoid is equals to ano nga ba? So B1 plus B2, which is ang gagawin natin is eto munang nasa loob, which is naka open close parenthesis siya, meaning to say ito po yung unahin natin na sasagutan or i-solve. So base 1 and base 2. So base 1 then plus base 2. So which means plus natin yung dalawa. So pagkatapos natin i-plus, so meaning to say i-divide natin siya. So divide by base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. So yan, pagkatapos natin na nasagot na natin yung nasa loob. So saka natin i-multiply into height. Yan. semicolon. So C out the area of trapezoid is area of trapezoid. And so i-try natin i-compile para makita natin kung may mali tayo. So wala tayong mali, i-run po natin. So run natin. So the value of base 1 is 3, the value of base 5 is 5, so the value of 5 is 3. So 12, so the area of trapezoid is 12. So try natin sa Google. Okay. Find the area of trapezoid. So let's input the base 1, which is 3, the base 2 is 5, enter the height, which is 3. So area of the trapezoid is 12, so correct. So let's proceed to the next problem. Next. And okay, so save lang natin. So find the surface of rectangular solid. Okay, rectangular solid. Find the rectangular solid. Okay, so include stream using name space edit name semicolon with curly brackets and return 0. And so let's input our data types and variables. So here we have length, height, and width. Okay. So int length, comma, width, comma, height. So the formula, which is the surface. Don't forget the formula. Surface. And so first is C out the value of length. And so inline tayo. And sin length. C out ulit the value of height. Then sin tayo, sin in, which is height. Then C out ulit the value of surface. So dito height, I mean width, ano ba? Find the height, mali pala ta. Find the width dito. So width. So height dito. Yan. Yan. So the formula, which is the surface. So surface was ano ba yung formula dito? So 2LW, which is meron siyang LW dito, which is length and weight multiplied. So 2 length multiplied by height then next is yan. So plus natin, which is next is LH naman. So length and height. Length and height. Okay, just copy paste to. Wait. LW pala. So, length and width siya. Length and width. So, length and width. So, oh my god, width pala yung nilagay ko. Wait. Ano ba yun? Width or... ay, width. Okay, width. Width. And so, width pala siya dito. Then, length and width and length and height. Then, 2 multiplied by 2. Plus 1 is 2WH. So, LW, LH, then 2WH. So, width in height. Width in height, just copy paste this one. And width and height. Tama. So, height, length, width. So, height, length, width, to length and width and width. Okay. So, tama na yan. So, semicolon tayo dito. Yan. And see out. W of the surface of yung triangle ba to? Rectangular is surface. Include. So, compile natin. Check the error. So, there's an error here. So, the value of height, which is right here. Wrong symbol. Okay. So, in plane, we should see out. So, yan, mali rin. Right. Okay, that's done. So, the value of height is 5. The value of width is 6. So, the value of height is 8. So, 236. So, let's try to find in the Google, which is find the rectangular surface. Rectangular surface. So, yan. Let's try. We have the 5, 6, 8. So, length is 5. The height is 6. The height is 8. So, calculate. So, answer of the area is 236. While the volume is 240. So, it's correct. So, the area is the 236, which is the surface. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something new today. Goodbye. Bye. Take care always.